యజ్ఞం స్టార్ట్ అయ్యేటప్పటి నుంచి దోస్ ఆ ఫ్లేమ్స్ తర్వాత అందరం పాడిన శ్లోకాలు ఇట్ రియలీ గేవ్ అస్ ఎ పాజిటివ్ వైబ్రేషన్. సో మేడం అన్నట్టు మనకి యోగా రూట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో ఒక పెద్ద ట్రీ లాగా, రాగి చెట్టులాగా, లేకపోతే వేప చెట్టులాగా మీరందరూ పాకిపోతారు ఫ్యూచర్లో అని ఐ జస్ట్ ప్రేయింగ్ టు గాడ్. అండ్ one more thing is yoga is very important in each one of our life. So actually previously they used to practice yoga in one form or the other right from the beginning of our day life. Like day start అయినప్పటి నుంచి ఏదో ఒక విధంగా our ancestors or grandparents or our parents were doing yoga in some form or the other. But this yoga with specific asana నియమించి అది ఎట్లా చేస్తారు, ఏ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద బాడీ మనం యూజ్ చేస్తాము అండ్ హౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ యూస్ఫుల్ ఫర్ అవర్ వెల్ బీయింగ్ అనేది స్ట్రక్చర్డ్గా చేసి మనకి ఇచ్చారు. అండ్ దట్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఆల్ లర్న్డ్. అండ్ జస్ట్ whenever ma'am has told everything about the basics of yoga, కానీ ప్రాక్టికల్ లైఫ్కి వచ్చేసరికి we all practice yoga sincerely. Our health is good, but at a point of a time because of some reason we stop it, so it really has adverse effect on our life. So that I personally experienced in my life. So manamu, the important thing here what I'm telling to you people is, as yoga teacher, when you go into the field, study the psychology of the client or the person you are going and put him to practice the thing in his own way of life. And importance cheppi adi life ki enta important and how to continue it throughout his life, that is more important. How do you make a person to practice it? Importance అది లేకపోతే ఏమవుతుంది అని మనం చెప్తే కానీ మన people in this society will not know the importance of yoga. And one more thing is, whenever you are telling the person, as you all know, once we start practicing yoga, మనం అన్ని మెడిసిన్స్కి జోలికి పోని అవసరం ఉండదు. We need not go near the medicine. So this how, if you tell the importance of yoga, why it is important to an individual life, that is what the ma'am is telling, the therapeutic value of yoga plus the sattvic diet, what diet we have to follow, that is also very important. So yoga plus diet, nutrition will give a good health to an individual. So we can make it a formula like yoga plus diet is equal to good health and well-being. And cheppiste manaki, I think the people around you where you are going will know the importance of yoga and practice it. So with this I conclude my speech, and I would give my pranam and namaste to past, present and future yoga gurus, and hope that you will carry on this yoga to the society in a understanding manner and reach the vulnerable group of this society who are not able to afford to pay money to the allopathic medicine or any other medicine. So I request you all to follow this and make India whole nation a healthy nation. Thank you very much. Now I would request Rudyasham Garu to come and share his ideas and thoughts.